What is meditation? Meditation is something becoming a different person altogether. And it is for your own better because you become peaceful. It's not like you have to stop thinking, you have to stop your thoughts. No, but how you can be comfortable with your thought and how you can become more peaceful and more mindful at the very same time. Now, who is this for? Meditation is something can be done by anyone, anyone who really wants a peaceful life and a mindful life, because it is something which is very important. If you do it in make it as a habit in your daily life. Most of the time we just think we don't have time. How I'll do the meditation, I have to sit in one place and I don't have that much time to sit in one place. But ask yourself, is it so? Is it really so that you don't have the time to sit in one place just for few minutes? You need to answer this question to yourself, not to anyone else. When I first learned about meditation, it was same thinking as you people must be thinking. I don't have time, I can't do it, I cannot sit still, I cannot focus. But it's not about sitting still or focus. It's actually about the right technique at a right time, which I have learned from my mentor. It gives you really altogether a different experience. I have become more calm and composed. Previously, I used to be very anxious, but these days I know how to control my own anxiety and how to be more peaceful and more mindful. The common mistake which we make is like we set a goal to meditate for half an hour in starting from the beginning only. No, start from 1 and 2 minutes, and slowly you develop a consciousness in your mind, and your subconscious mind start helping you to meditate in a proper way. So you need to understand how you can make most of it is like daily. Make it as a practice. It should be a ritual. Make a morning ritual. At least when you wake up, you at least meditate for 2 to 3 minutes. It is very important, and just see how your day is going to change, how the day become more positive and more effective. What I recommend you is, whenever you are starting a meditation, make sure that you are starting with a small time. Set a small time goal, not a very big. Number 2, fix a place where you can meditate, because place is something where you will bring the energy, and energy matters a lot when you are doing meditation. The more positive you are, the more calm you are. Number 3 is, you can also put a good music. There are different type of meditation you can learn under somebody who can help you with this. As with me, my mentor is always there to help me out, and he teaches us like how to meditate in a different with the different techniques, because there are different techniques, and I have also learned, which I also applied in my clients. So try this and just see how the magic happens.